Alright guys, welcome to my kitchen. So we're gonna be making dinner together, and I figured I wanted to do it more natural, more vlog style, more realistic, because sis, this is how life is, okay? I'm in my kitchen, we're gonna make dinner, and I don't have time for the extravagant, over the top shit, you know? So you guys know I'm using Everyplate. It's so cool. The recipes are so fun. They're so easy. This whole system is just amazing. Like, they're so easy to make. And it's a great tip for women. If you feel like no one's helping you make dinner, you have like grown kids or a husband, or if your wife is lazy, whoever's the one. If you feel like you're always the one making dinner because, you know, I don't know how to cook, or like I don't cook as good as you, or I don't know what to make, this is the perfect thing because it's so easy. You get cards that show you every meal with all the steps on how to make it. Super easy. Every recipe is so easy. They show you all the pictures of exactly what it's gonna look like, exactly the ingredients you're getting. Everything is there. It's so easy. I mean, and it's super cheap. Every meal, it comes out to like $3.33. It's cheaper than coffee. Like, it's cheaper than getting your, you know, your Starbucks or your Dunkin'. It's cheaper than getting a cup of coffee at the fancy coffee shop. It's just like so easy to do. Like, it's amazing. And it's so much healthier than ordering out. Like, it's just the best option. I know for us, we end up ordering out a lot when we're busy or we're tired. You know, like, we get tired. Like, most people do. And it's just hard to keep up with eating healthy. And I love that these recipes are not, like, over the top, super healthy, where everything tastes bad and doesn't have any flavor, and it's just like lettuce and broccoli. Like, these are flavorful, healthy meals. Oh my god, the limes from this service, I don't know if these are like specialty limes or something, but they're the juiciest, most flavorful limes I've ever had in my life. Antonio, when he made it, you guys saw, it looked exactly like the picture. Like, so easy to make. So anyway, like I was saying, this is just a great option if you feel like nobody's helping you. And then my point was that we used the first box and we were like, yo, this is like really bomb. Like, this could really work for us. Like, so I ended up buying us a subscription. So even though I'm partnering with them on this video, I actually purchased my own subscription to the service because it's super affordable. It's a great option. And now our grocery list has shrunk so much. So we're going to save on groceries. So we're going to make the shrimp today. This is the chili garlic shrimp. And there's literally 8 ingredients. Everything's gonna come in like a big box, and then the produce comes in this little box separated from the meat, and the meat comes nicely wrapped up and everything. So I'll bring out the shrimp in a minute when I need it. So these are the flatbreads for the other recipe, but we're not using that right now. So what I need are the scallions, the garlic. You also get fresh garlic. This lemon smells so incredible. Oh my god. Part of me wants to like eat this so bad. see, it even came with the chili flakes that you're gonna need. So if you're not someone who uses this on a regular basis, you don't have to worry about having leftovers or having to buy a whole container. So now I'm just gonna toss that together. Oh, Antonio has jumped in to help me with the rice. So it's a risotto basically. So as the liquid starts to absorb, you just add more of your chicken stock mixture that we made earlier.
All right, Antonio is stepping in for a moment. I just wanted to show you the in-between with the risotto. Right now we're at about the 15-minute mark, and you can see it's getting a little bit more creamy. It's absorbing the liquid. It just needs a little bit more time. So it just depends on how wide of a pan that you use, how long it takes. But give it about 5 more minutes, it should be done. So now we got the oil in the pan, letting it heat up. And I'd say like a medium-high heat. And once it gets warm enough, we're gonna throw in the shrimp and saute it from there. So now we got all the shrimp in the pan. And you just wanna cook that off. Takes about 5 to 6 minutes. So we'll check it out once everything is finished. So for the risotto, this is the finished product after adding the Parmesan, the lemon juice, and the butter. So it's got that cheesiness to it. Don't mind the pan, it looks like that because we have our finished product right here. Topped off with the shrimp, the scallions, and a little bit more chili flakes. And a beautiful sparkling bowl. I'm excited to eat this. Note the silence. Oh my gosh, I'm excited to eat this. And
Actually really, really delicious. I'm shook. Thanks for finishing, babe.
yeah.
What do you think?
Really good.
Right? I'm really enjoying it. So hopefully tomorrow's is just as good. I know it will be. I'm kind of excited for that one as well. So let's go to tomorrow. Time travel. Ooh. So, of course, you guys know I have a coupon code. It's on the screen. Thank you so much to Everyplate for sponsoring this video. I really, really thoroughly enjoyed this. And like I said, I have my own subscription. I just got my newest box. So I'm so excited to make our first recipe, or actually our like 6th recipe at this point. I really love this service. I really recommend it. The food is so good. The recipes are delicious. It's just so delicious. This pizza was so cheesy and gooey and yummy. I loved it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Which meal was your favorite? Which one would you eat? I'll see you in the next one. Mwah. Bye.